This is also the reason it's best to use that wool batting, because if you're using a synthetic batting at this point, you could melt it and that could ruin your whole project. So those good natural fiber battings are really the best to work with. Okay, looks like we've got a good fusion. And the final step is to satin stitch around the edges of the bird. Okay, we're getting ready to finish, and so I've got my machine set up to do satin stitching. As you can see, I've already got my open-toed presser foot installed on the machine. I've got a satin stitch set to about a 3.6 width and about a 0.3 length, so that'll give us a nice dense stitch. Now, one thing to note is when you're doing a traditional fused quilt and you're not worried about the back side, you're going to put that, most of your stitching is going to end up right on the patch. And you're going to run the right side of the stitch down the raw edge of the patch. For this, no matter how carefully you cut and trace and stitch and fuse, there are always going to be little edges along your shape that don't perfectly line up.